Friends, welcome to Pleasure Vision. In the world of football, here are some matches that make you feel this is not just a game, it is a battle. Today, we take you into one such class where two Italian giants faced each other. Juventus vs Inter Milan, and the result a breathtaking scoreline 4-3 that left the entire stadium holding its breath. The match begins in the Turin Stadium. Thousands of fans glued to their seats and as the whistle blew. Both teams rushed onto the field like lightning. Their sharp passing and position stunned Juventus and thin. The first goal, interest attacker finished brilliantly to open the scoring. Juventus fans feel silent, but this was only the beginning. Juventus did not lose hope. The presence of Cristiano Ronaldo on the pitch was a different kind of strength. He created chances, took shots, and finally Juventus held the Cavalier. The first half ended 1-1, but the real drama was yet to come. Inter once again took the lead 2-1. The weakness in Juventus' defense was exposed, but just a few minutes later, Juventus shrunk back. A sharp corner kick, a powerful header, and the ball hit the net. Score 2-2. The crowd went wild. The match called now go either way. But the story did not stop there. In the 17th minute, Inter scored again. Now it was 3-2, and the hopes of Juventus fans started to fade. But Juventus' fighting spirit was incredible. Cristiano Ronaldo showed his class with dazzling dribbling, a stunning shot, and the ball have strength into the goal post. The entire stadium erupted. Shoo shoo. Now it was the final minutes of the game. Both teams were exhausted, but neither was ready to surrender. Juventus began pressing high, wave after wave, and tried to defend and hold the ball. But the pressure was reaching and thin the biggest movement of the match. In the 88th minute, Juventus got their chance. Ronaldo rocked forward with the ball, skipped past the defender, unleashed a shot, saved by the goalkeeper, but on the rebound, a Juventus player was right there and he fired the ball into the net. The crowd exploded in joy. Coaches, players, fans, all embraced as answer in celebration. The final whistle blew and history was made. Juventus defeated Inter 4-3. A match filled with 7 goals, drama, excitement, and a last minute climax. Everything a football fan could dream of. Friends, this is the beauty of football. Sometimes joy, sometimes heartbreak, and sometimes a movement that lives on forever. That was our journey today. The Teling Juventus West enter showdown. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to Collegiate Vision because here you 11 always find incredible and breathtaking football stories. Thank you.